This is a tutorial on how to put together a BNC connector on a piece of cable for a Iteris cameras. First thing you want to do is have your yellow cutters, snip it so it's nice and even. You grab your strippers, beer ones, they're already set. Put it so that the edge of the cable is right there, like that. So the edge not sticking out. Give it a little press with your finger. Make sure it's all the way down to the bottom notch. Spin it around a few times. Maybe 6 or 7 times. Pull this off. And you have to go back and pull off all the different pieces that are cut. Now, the first piece is the one that you're going to have the actual core hanging out of. So you want to make sure that it gets cut completely off. Be careful not to cut the core inside of it right there, so it comes out just like that. The next one comes out like that, and all of the braid should also come off. So if you haven't gone all the way through, cut all that off. Spin that around nice and gently until you get all the braid off. Snip it off. And then finally, take off the last piece, but leave the braid. Just do a quick spin. Pull it off, and there you go. So now the next part, you snip off the edge, the core, so that you can put this on easily. You want this to touch the inside right there, the plastic part, because it doesn't right now, so we're going to snip it off just a little bit. And then put this on. So it goes all the way down, so it looks just like that. Just like that. And you got to take your crimpers, and you're going to go in like this with the crimpers. So this is going to go to the edge of the inside. That's going to go there. Make sure it's pushed down. Make sure you're on the right one there, and a nice crimp. You should have a tight connection right there. Good to go. Then take this piece, put it over, then take your connector itself, put that over top of everything, push it down. So it snaps in, and you should see it just like that. So you can see the core in there, everything is fine. Push this up, so it should look like this beforehand. Take your crimpers, the innermost one, crimp once, twice, and you're done. It should be a nice tight fit. Perfect.